Before this video starts, drop your Solana wallet down below. I'll be sending a few of you $100 in Sol to get your journey started. Enjoy! So what's up guys, welcome back to another Solanamemecoin tutorial video. I just want to say before we start, I'm never going to DM you first, never. I'm never going to ask you to send me Solana and I'll double it and send it back. There's a lot of scams that happens when you try to create this crypto tutorial video. This is my only Twitter, it's Solana ZZ, and then my only Discord I'm in that I will be ever in is Solanamemecoins. Today we're going to be talking about how to find wallets, and how to track them, how to copy them, and how to make sure they are even worth copying. And if you guys enjoy this tutorial, do me a favor, drop a sub on the channel. I'm trying to hit 10k by the end of the year. So let's get right into it. The number one source of alpha for me personally is Twitter. So whenever I'm scrolling through my timeline, I see somebody post a Solana wallet or profits or certain coins and stuff, I'm probably already too late. So I created this Twitter tracker in my Discord server. Get access by going to the free alpha section and press free tools. For more calls, you can also press the other buttons. Most meme coins move on news. For example, last night on Yapper, I did a crazy P&L. I made over 100k on Yapper just by following early whales that bought in. But how did I find these wallets? For finding new wallets, I use a few tools. First, starting off with ColeScan.io. The truth about trading on Solana is that whales, KOLs, and all the insiders often dictate which project bumps and which projects just get ignored. If you can get in a project early because of your whale tracking ability, you can follow the smart money to find profitable trades. You never want to Google or find a random link for a platform in crypto. There are too many scam links. The links that I provide below will be all authentic and real, so please use them for your own security. The first tool that I want to show you is called ColeScan.io. It's a leaderboard of KOLs. A KOL is a key opinion leader or an influencer, popular person, stuff like that, you know. And since the wallets are trackable on the blockchain, as you know, we can actually track who has been the most profitable KOL in the last day, even week or month, using ColeScan.io. Now there's a lot of disclaimers that I'm going to go over about using ColeScan, but let's jump into it first. So I can see what people are trading and what tokens are being traded in real time. But really where I want to go up is here, the leaderboard section. Now I can sort by daily. The collectible guy has made over 232 Solana today, just trading. But if I go over to monthly, I can see the top traders of this month on ColeScan.io, and that's Cultures. He has made over 500k this month. And if I go over to Cultures profile on ColeScan, I can see exactly where the money came from. I can also click this X button right here, which will go to his X profile. If I want to follow him and actually learn more about what he's doing, I can follow him. Okay, so ColeScan is like wallet tracking 101. Then we have Geek, also number 2, that also made 500k. Geek is in my opinion one of the best traders on Solanamemecoins right now. He only did 28 buys and made over 500k. That's actually insane. This is just the basic. This is a really good tool to build out your foundation of wallets of really popular KOLs who are in the trenches constantly trading. Personally, when I'm trading, I want to see if whales are buying in or not. So ColeScan.io is a good starting point. If you don't track any wallets, just go and find some of the traders who you think are valuable to watch and then add them to your wallet tracking list. So how would we do this? It's just we want to copy their wallet address. So I'm going to click right here and that is the ending of his wallet. And I'm just clicking it and I copied that to my clipboard. Next, we are going to go over the second software. The second tool that I use to find and really track these wallets, that will be Axium. It's available right here completely for free. So also make sure again you're using the Axium link below because you get a 20% discount on the trading fees by using my personal link. I'm going to go up to the tracker step. So just remove the trader tracker for now. And here we have the wallet tracking list. This is actually all the wallets that I'm personally tracking in real time. You can see right here, example on the Yapper coin last night, they were all buying this token at the same time here. And this is what it looks like when you're tracking wallets. You see that you have all of these bubbles popping up. You can see the red bubbles and that are whales that are selling and the green ones are the ones that are buying. And all of these wallets are on my tracking list. That's how I can see this. If I don't want to see that on Axiom, it'll just go to display settings, turn off the track wallets and then go away. But I do like to leave this on. Now, if I'm curious about who just bought that, I can click on one of these icons and I can see the trader. For example, it's this trader. And I can also see some stats about their wallets right here, whatever they are buying, all in real time, and also the profit and losses. But if I come back over to my trackers and I'm on the wallet tracking page on Axiom, I can head over to the wallet manager tab up at the top, and this is where I can import or export my entire list and add an individual wallet. So I have one wallet address copied to my clipboard. You'll click add wallet, you'll paste in the wallet address here, and the trader was named Cultures, so it'll add the name Cultures. And I can add an emoji here if I want to, and I'll click add wallet. If I wanted to import a full list, which you might be doing later in this tutorial, you go to import, and this is where you just paste in the list of data. Usually it's a JSON file right in here. And if you want to export an entire list, which I have personally done for you guys, I would just hit export, and now all my wallets are copied to the clipboard, and I can save this in a Google Doc, for example. And now when I'm trading, his trades will show up on my chart, even if he's in the same project as me, and that's really bullish. If you do want to access to my personal wallet tracking list, it is in my Discord channel that I talked about earlier. It's completely for free. I hope you got some value from today's video. If you did, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, smash the like button, and even turn on the notification bells, because I'm dropping new tutorials every week. Thank you so much for watching this, and stay safe.